Welcome to the McKenzie Seeds PICKAPP tutorial for end-of-season scanning. We have developed a new application for our end-of-season scanning. Since this application is owned by McKenzie, unlike our previous program Odoo, we have tried to make as many enhancements and features that will make the end-of-season process simplified. Please take time to watch and understand everything discussed in this video before scanning your first store. Refer to the one-pager in your rep package for login information. Please make sure that you have your scanner attached to your device before proceeding. For information on how to attach the Bluetooth scanner to your device, please refer to information enclosed in your rep package. Before you start scanning, please take your phone off silent and turn up the notification volume. The app is designed to beep with every scan to make sure that every product is being recorded. Once you have successfully logged in, you will land on the home page. Since this is our first scan of the season, navigate to Start Scanning. Tap on the Search by Customer box. On the credit sheet, scan the barcode under Customer Number. Confirm that the paperwork matches the store now displayed on the screen. Customer number, name, address. Alternatively, you can search by customer number, store name, city, address, or keyword by manually entering it into the search bar. Click on the store displayed on the screen. When your device asks for camera permission, please always select Allow. You are now at the Scan Products screen and can begin scanning out the display. Please use a steady scan, as scanning too quickly may result in missed product. It is very important to confirm the audible beep after scanning each product. Each beep equals one scanned product. Please make sure that you locate all product within the store. Don't forget to ask the sales associate or manager if there is product in the back rooms or in a storage area. Alternatively, you can edit product quantities by doing the following. Increasing or decreasing the scanned quantities by 1, use the plus or minus buttons. Increasing or decreasing the scanned quantities by more than 1, use the plus 3 dots and negative 3 dots. Don't forget to bring up your device's keyboard, double tap the scanner trigger. Enter the quantity that you would like to add or subtract. You will see the quantity update under New Total. Confirm by selecting Add or Subtract. If you want to delete an entire entry, use the garbage can in the right-hand corner of the product. A pop-up will display asking you to confirm. You can choose OK or Cancel. In the rare event you need to cancel all scans under a customer, you can use the Cancel button located on the bottom of the scanning screen. This function will permanently delete all data scans saved under the customer, so please make sure this is the step you would like to take. A pop-up will ask you to confirm the cancellation. All data will be erased and the store will move back to pending. The app is designed to record and hold all scanned data. You can exit the app or force close the app, and all scans will be retained when you log back in. You can search for the store again by following the instructions previously discussed. There is no save function. The application automatically saves scanned data. Now, once you have finished scanning, select Done. This will take you to the validation screen. On this screen, the first thing you need to do is enter your name under Salesperson. Don't forget to bring up the device's keyboard. You need to quickly double press the scanner trigger. You can now preview your report by selecting the blue Preview button. Note, on the top of this screen, you can toggle between reports, such as the McKenzie report and the Canadian Tire report. Use the reports to fill out both copies of the paper credit form. At this point, please find the manager or store authority, have the manager sign and print on both copies of the credit form. It is very important to confirm with the manager if they would like to repeat their order for 2026 or they would like to be contacted. If they choose to be contacted, please X that box on the paperwork. They also need to fill out the requested delivery date for their 2026 order. Any notes the manager has can be written in the margins of the credit sheet. Please confirm that the email address on the credit sheet is correct. If it is not, please update. If the email is blank, please ask for an email for the credit paperwork to be sent. Leave a copy of the credit sheet with the manager and retain a copy for McKenzie. Let the manager know they will receive an email copy of any other reports, for example, the Canadian Tire report if it is a Canadian Tire location. We can now go back to the app. Close the preview screen. This will return you to the validation screen. Fill out the name of the manager that signed the paperwork under Customer Sign-Off Person. Check the box indicating that you got the credit sheet completed and signed by the store. This is a mandatory step. Take one picture of the completed credit sheet. Indicate if the store wanted to repeat their 2026 order or needs to be contacted. Fill out any notes the store had. This is not a mandatory field. Once you have filled out all the required information, select the green Validate button. It will take you to the report screen. At this step, the store has been validated and information transferred to our head office. Choose the report type you need. If you are at a Canadian Tire, select the Canadian Tire report. Most locations will only have the McKenzie PPT report. This will take you to the final report preview. Please verify again that all information on the report, including the store's email, which you will find under recipient email, is correct. You can edit the email address if it is not correct. You would have verified the email address with the manager on the previous step. You can add multiple email addresses using a space or semicolon to separate. Once the email is accurate, hit the blue Send button. The store is now complete. Additional product. If you find additional product at the store after you have validated the same day or following days, you can add a secondary scan. On the home screen, navigate to View Reports. Tap the Search by Customer Number and enter the customer you would like to add a secondary scan to. Don't forget to double press the scanner trigger to bring up your phone's keyboard. Verify on screen that the customer is correct and then tap the green Scan More Products button. You can now scan out additional product and follow the same steps as the original scan. Once you have finished scanning out the additional products, hit Done. Use the McKenzie report to add the additional quantities to the paper copy credit form. Please indicate on the paper copy that these are from a secondary scan. You can finish validating the secondary scan using the same steps as previously discussed. Referencing reports. You can view reports of all validated stores from previous days. On the home screen, navigate to View Reports. Tap the Search by Customer Number and enter the customer you would like to view the report. Verify on screen that the customer is correct and then tap the blue View Reports button. You will see all visits in the drop-down underneath the store. Select the visit that you want to view. Most stores will only have initial store visit, unless you made a secondary visit to scan additional product after the store was validated. This will take you to the Reports screen. You can select which report you would like to view or download. You can also email the report again from this screen. Once you have finished, note the navigation menu on the bottom of the screen. Thank you for watching this tutorial video. If you have any questions or issues, please reach out to your service manager.